Hello students, very good morning to all of you. Myself Deepak Kumar Prusti from Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Nawada branch. Students, welcome to our e-learning class which is organized by Modern Group of Institution, Nawada, Bihar. Students, today I am going to discuss the second video lecture of the chapter 4, class 4. Of the topic is moving and copying text. So basically today I am going to discuss how to move and copy the text. So today what will I discuss by the practical way? I am directly showing you and try to understand. If you have doubt, then ask me. Okay students, now you will discuss, you see step by step how am I going to use the moving and copying the text. So student, this is the start button. You see very carefully, this is the start button. Okay student, click on the start button. Suppose I want to make any of the document by the Microsoft Word. Suppose click on the Microsoft Word. Okay students. So student, basically we will discuss the copy or paste in the MS Word. Okay. So student, so this is the MS Word windows has been opened already. Is that clear student? So student, you see this is the MS Word windows. Okay. So this is your blank area. This is your, you see this is your blank area. Okay. So students, now you see, suppose we'll discuss okay students, we'll discuss first moving text. Okay student. So student, how to move the text? So first of all we'll discuss the first step is your student, the step 1. Okay student, I want to write the step 1 student. First of all, select the text. You see this text I want to moving. Then you see how. First of all you select. So this is called as a student what? This process is called as a, you see, this process is called as a selecting. So that's why I have written here select the text first. Okay student. Then the second step, I'll write the word student. Then go to home tab. Then click on cut option. Then click on cut option from clipboard group. Is that clear student? So first of all select the text, go to the home tab. So this is already home tab, this is your home tab. Okay student, and you see where is the clipboard group. This is your clipboard group. See, home tab, then clipboard group. So first of all you select the text. Is that clear student? Then after that go to the home tab. This is already home tab is already active. Then click on the cut option from the clipboard group. You see here this one is a clipboard group. From the clipboard group click on the cut option. After cut, then what will happen? From this place it will be the what? It will be removed. You see, after click on the cut, you see that text has been removed. Okay student. Then the third step is your student what? Then choose the location or area where we want to paste. Is that clear student? First of all select the text, then go to the home tab, then click on the cut option, then choose the location or area where we want to paste. Okay, you choose the location where I want to paste. Suppose again click on the office button, again click on the new option. Okay student, click on the blank document. Okay, so student, so this is my the another Word document. So from there I have already removed and here I want to paste. So that's why, so this is my the choose the location or area where we want to paste. So student, you see this is my the another location. In here I want to paste. Is that clear? Then the fourth step is your student what? The fourth step is your again go to Home tab and click on paste. Click on paste option from clipboard group. Okay students, you see, choose the location. Here the location is here. Okay, then students, what will happen? Now I want to make the paste. You see, this is your clipboard group, and in the clipboard group click on the paste option. Okay student, you paste here. So students, from here I have copied and here I have paste. So student, this one I have in the what? Moving the text. Moving means what? Remove the text from one location and it will be pasted in the another. Okay student, that means you can cut from one and paste in the another places. That is our the student what? Moving the text. This is your the what? Moving the text. Is that clear student? Okay. So next we will discuss the student topic is our next topic is our how to copying text from one place to another place. Okay student, from one place to another. So student, copying text means what? You can suppose duplicate. So how much time you want to duplicate in the same location or in different location or same area or different area, you can do very easily. So it will not be removed and same copies will be copied in more than one times. Okay student, you see the same steps, only the different is your what? Same step, select the text, go to the home tab, click on the cut. In place of the cut, you write the copy, you type the copy, then choose the location where, choose the location area where we want to paste, then go to the home tab, click on the paste. All the steps are same as the moving or copying, and only the difference is the step 2. In place of the cut, only you type here the copy. Is that clear? So student, now I want to you see copy. So you first of all select this one, then go to the clip home tab, then from the clipboard click on the copy option. You see, after click on the copy, this one is a copy. After the copy, you see same text has been displayed on the same location and area. Now I want to make the paste. So student, go to the choose the location or area. Suppose I want to make the paste here. Okay student, then what will happen? Click on the home tab, go to the clipboard group, then click on the paste option. You see, so from there I have copied and see here paste. How to copy text from one place to another place? Here also use student, this one also display. That means same text will be copied in the different places. Okay, and without the removing. That one is your copying and paste. Is that clear student? In this way, copying, paste and moving text. In this way I have completed this one. In the next class we will discuss the next topic. That's it. Thank you.